What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and this is so good. Piggy Book 2 is coming out. So you guys might be wondering, why am I not screen recording my computer? I don't know really, actually. But Minitoon, the creator of Piggy, set a premiere. As you guys can see, he set a premiere right over here. That is so sick. Like, actually, so sick. And look at the thumbnail. Piggy Book 2. Dun, dun, dun! Like, this is so good. Finally. Like, I thought it was called Piggy 2, but it's actually called Piggy Book 2. And that's so cool. And the premiere is going to start on August 22, 2020. August 22nd, 2020. So, link will be in the description for the premiere. And actually, the premiere is going to start tomorrow at 2 p.m. And that's going to be sick. And actually now, hello. Oh gosh, no. 1,023 people are waiting for the premiere. One of them are me. And I'm going to put something in the premiere chat. Okay, I want to say, hold on, let me say it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the premiere to start. Now I'm going to send it to the live chat. So I send it. Wait, here I am. See? Look. Oh, I went away. But that's all I wanted to say in this video. But, like, it's so cool. Like, let's read the description of the video. Oh no, 984 people are waiting for the premiere to start now. Ah, no. The special thanks to who? Extras and Bobby Yarsel helping to make this trailer. The official. Oh, this is a trailer? Oh, I didn't notice the title. Bro, there's so much comments already. 17,000. Look, they're talking about Creekcraft. Minitoon Piggy Book 2. You know, I knew, like, about Piggy 2 before, like, my friend. So, like, he said, like, you know how? Because I heard it from a guy named Creekcraft. Link will be in the description for his channel. But I didn't know the game's name is going to be Piggy Book 2. And the game is not, Piggy Book 2 is not out yet, actually. So we have to wait until it's out. That will be sick. Wait, what? Minitoon. Oh, 2 hours ago. Minitoon. No more Piggy chapters for a while. Kicks thinking heads off. Minitoon, Piggy Book 2, Creek shaving head and thinking mode activated. What? Only people before the premiere can like this comment. What do you mean? Hold on. Wait, hold on. No, I can't. What if we don't? I want to say something. What do you mean? I want a W. What do you mean? Sorry guys, I'm not really a fast typer. But I gotta put a question mark. How do you put it? Oh yes, wait, hold on, let me put a question mark. Shift. Here it is, let me reply. There we go. Now, that's all I wanted to say about this video. Link will be in the description for my other piggy videos also. And I could show you the original piggy game in Roblox. I'm just gonna go to the game. I'm in my laptop. I wanna go to games. Go to game, let me go to Piggy. Hold on, let me find popular. Here it is. Now let's find Piggy. Here it is, Piggy Alpha. Where's my mouse cursor? Here it is. Here it is by Minitoon. Now, that's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notifications so I never miss an upload, and 2 videos in one day. So yeah, peace and goodbye.